What's up, y'all? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to access the Realtracs MLS search that we've got set up going to your email. I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see exactly what to do step by step. Let's check it out. First thing to do will be to hop on the email account that you provided to me and look for the email from Brandon Hayes. Click that and this will open up a quick view to see what homes have either been added or have had a recent update either in price or a status change. You can click these thumbnails to expand the full listing, but the best way to access everything in your search will be to click the Create an Account at the top of the email. This will pull up another page to begin the process, and we'll also have a link for the iOS and Android app to be able to download. Go ahead and click the Create Account button. Once you click that, go ahead and choose the email account that this was set up for, and go ahead and click Link Account, and then you are in. So there is no password, and the only way to access this search is through your linked email account. After doing this the first time, you will access the full list slightly different by scrolling to the bottom of the email and looking for the link to search for additional listings on Realtracs. Click that and you'll be directed to the sign in again through your email account as you did the first time around, and you are ready to go. And once you've successfully signed in, you'll be able to see the full search and be able to interact with the homes by liking or disliking them. And you can also leave a comment which will go directly to me and is an easy way to ask a question or point out something that you like about the home. For the more advanced features, you're going to want to click the Layers tab on the right side of the big map. This will give you some options to choose between a street view or a satellite view, which will be very helpful to visualize what's around the property. All right, thank you for taking the time to learn with me today, and I hope this helps your search. Be sure to check my next video going over all of the map features and different options that you've got there. Thank you.